Today we will find the value of this tangent sum without using a calculator. We'll begin with a geometric approach, then explore 3 alternative methods for deeper insight. First, let's consider the given expression, tangent squared of pi over 12 plus tangent squared of 5 pi over 12. Notice that pi over 12 equals 180 degrees over 12 equals 15 degrees. 5 pi over 12 equals 5 times 15 degrees equals 75 degrees. This tells us that tangent squared of 15 degrees plus tangent squared of 75 degrees. Using the geometric approach, we find that tangent of 15 degrees equals 2 minus square root of 3, and tangent of 75 degrees equals 2 plus square root of 3. Substituting these values, the expression becomes two minus square root of 3 squared plus 2 plus square root of 3 squared. Expanding, we have equals 2 times open bracket, 2 squared plus 3 close bracket equals 14. So the final answer is 14. Next, let's look at 3 alternative methods to confirm our result. Method 1. Complementary angle identity. Using the identity for complementary angles, tangent of 5 pi over 12 equals cotangent of pi over 12. So the expression becomes tangent squared of pi over 12 plus cotangent squared of pi over 12. This simplifies to 2 times the fraction with numerator 1 plus cosine squared of pi over 6 and denominator sine squared of pi over 6 equals 14. Method 2. Sum of squares for complementary angles. If alpha plus beta equals 90 degrees, then the sum of tangent squared of alpha and tangent squared of beta is 4 divided by sine squared of 2 alpha minus 2. Given alpha equals 15 degrees and beta equals 75 degrees, this becomes 4 divided by sine squared of 30 degrees minus 2 equals 14. Method 3. Direct expansion. Finally, we use the direct expansion approach. Tangent squared of x plus cotangent squared of x equals sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x squared minus 2, sine squared of x cosine squared of x divided by sine squared of x cosine squared of x. Using the double angle identity, sine squared of 2x equals 4, sine squared of x cosine squared of x. After substitution and simplification, we have equals 4 minus 2 sine squared of 2x divided by sine squared of 2x equals 14. This is just a special case of a more general question, where we consider the sum over k in S of tangent squared of k pi over n, where S is the set of k such that the greatest common divisor of k and n equals 1, and k is less than n over 2. The problem we solved is the case for n equals 12, but you may try other values, like n equals 18, to explore this idea further. If you enjoyed this exploration, make sure to like, subscribe, and share.